Hello, my name is Gauri. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you enjoy the video. Please show support by subscribing. Thank you. Dragon Boat Festival or Wai Chew Duanwu Festival in Thailand. It is in fact a Chinese festival and a bank holiday which is also celebrated in Vietnam, South Korea, Japan, North Korea, Indonesia and Thailand, where the festival is known as Wan Wai Khanom Chang or Wai Chew Festival or Duanwu Festival. Throughout the rest of the world, it is known simply as the Dragon Boat Festival when the Chinese communities in Thailand use food, perfumes and rice wine to welcome dragons.
สวยที่จัดอยู่เมื่อกี้นะฮะดูด้วยว่าเดี๋ยวคงจะเยือนขึ้นหน้าแล้วก็ตามลำกันไปนะครับด้วย
Hi, I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.